DeepEarth Technologies was founded in 2001 as an environmental restoration company specializing in providing Coolox, a patented technology for cleaning up contaminated soils and groundwater. Coolox has been in development for more than 25 years, and advancements are always being made to serve you better. Coolox is so unique that it has been awarded 14 patents in the US, Canada, Europe, and Australia. The Coolox process is designed to eliminate a wide variety of contaminants, including petroleum hydrocarbons, chlorinated organics, nitrate explosives, and brine. It is especially effective at destroying vapor phase contaminants impacting various types of soil, including clay. The best part about Coolox is that while it is tough on contaminants, it is gentle on vegetation. Because the mechanisms are different, Coolox can eliminate pollutants while actually promoting plant growth. DeepEarth Technologies is more than just a company with a patented technology for soil and groundwater remediation, but they are also a turnkey firm that can handle your project from design to implementation.